In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up time limit for applications on your iPhone. So let's say you want to use a certain application or applications for just 30 minutes, 1 hour or whatever time per day. To do this, open up your settings and scroll down to where you have screen time and click on it. You're going to see an option here for app limit. Click on it. If you want to add app limit, click on add limit. And here you have an option to select which app you want to add the limit for. The apps are arranged in different categories. So if it's a social app, click here and select the app. If it's a gaming app, click here and select the app. Let's select this app and this app. When you're done selecting your app, click on next. Here you have the option to set the time you want to use that app per day. So let's set this to 50 minutes every day and then click on add. So we have our time limit set for those two games. You can also customize the days by clicking right here, and you can set each day to have a certain amount of time. But if you want to use the same time for every day, then you can just let this be. So when you're using your application, you're going to have a notification when your time is about to expire. And when your app reaches a time limit, you're going to see something like this. You can either respect this or ignore the limit by clicking here.